How are you doing? So tonight, leftovers from barbecue that didn't really happen. So I've got some grilled chicken that I made myself, 2 pieces left, some salad, salsa and cheese. So let's start with the salsa. I think it's quite spicy, so only a teeny bit spread at the bottom. Salad, shredded cucumber and lettuce, and the chicken, which I just like put garlic, paprika, chili powder, salt, pepper, oh god, all sorts that I had in the cupboard. Like that. A bit of cheese, which literally melted in this heat. Some sour cream. This might sound really bizarre. And mustard. God, I need to get some more of this. It's literally like on its last legs. There you go. No, it doesn't look great. You can't really see. There you go. So yeah, cheers. Got my hair up again. As you know. So hot here in Britain. So nice. Mustard and sour cream. So good. Quick video. Doing a small tortillas. So it's like barbecue flavoured salsa. Bit of chilli. A bit of chilli. Oh, I forgot about the one sec. Try to like make it quite thinly sliced. The chopping abilities is not the best in the world, but I did alright. That's a bit of chicken. shredded. Not as hot tonight, a bit cooler. Last night was like horrific. I literally slept on the settee, sofa. Thank God I wasn't in work today. Oh my God. So I had my second jab. So far so good. Touch wood. I feel alright. Last time I had it, about 5 hours later, I feel like shite. But so far so good, like I just said. I feel alright. Well, we'll see in the morning when I wake up. That looks really bad, and it's mustard on salad. But it's the way I roll. It's the way I roll. The salt. I can't really say, let's do it that way. Look at that. Thumbnail. That's probably horrific. If you don't like mustard, or if you do like mustard, if you don't like mustard, mustard on anything would make you feel like green. But if you like me, mustard on anything. I'm like that with honey. Like today I had, for my lunch, I had like these cracker bread things. Yeah, cracker bread, if you're from Britain, you know what I mean. With chicken slices on. Not fresh chicken, but you know those thin chicken pieces. With sour cream. And then for afters I had banana with honey. A watermelon with honey. Oh my God. Like bananas, right? They're nice, but they can get incredibly boring. They can be incredibly boring. So I drenched it with honey. And I downed it. So nice. Gorgeous. Just helps it along the way when you're not like broccoli. For me, I'll eat it, but I'm not like, oh, this is amazing. But if I roast it and put garlic on and sesame seed oil, it's the best thing since sliced bread. Oh yeah, forgot about these tomatoes from Aldi. No, Aldi. Sometimes, you know, they get slagged off with the veg, but these tomatoes are so, listen to the crunch. So nice. So good. growing up, I remember tomatoes with tomatoes, tomatoes with tomatoes, big ones. You never had little ones like this that had so much crunch. And the first time I had them like this, it was like 1992, 3. And it was like the taste sensation. I couldn't believe it. I mean, my sister were like, so good. And before we go, I did a barbecue tonight. Went up the wall because I said to my son, I'm having a barbecue. Well, we are having a barbecue. And he said, right, so come back for 6. And he didn't, and he wasn't answering me calls. And I was getting a bit worried in the end. And then he eventually came back in and I was like, where were you? Well, my phone died and we were playing footy with my mates. So I was like miffed because I made all this chicken and stuff like that. He went, you can have these. These are my favourite crisps. Well, one of them, oysters. And he went, I bought these, but you can have them. I went, right, I will. For all the anguish that I had tonight, worrying about you and being peed off that you wanted to barbecue. So yeah, well, I won't eat them all. These are so nice. So these are £1. I'm always miffed because it's not like, but I don't think it's £1's worth anyway. But they're like bubbly type crisp, really thin. T-bone steak flavour. So good. There you go. The thing with me, crisps, chips, my favourite. You can't see the bubbles really. Well, maybe. So, I'm being tight. No, I'm not. Forgot my drink. So I've been thinking about my COVID jab. I was in and out today. Literally walked back out. But it bloody hurt. It did really hurt. And I have to put like cotton wool thing on and then put tape on. No one else had that. While I was stood there watching. What the hell? It did hurt. Like, Well, touch wood. I think I'm alright. It was really busy. But I had AstraZeneca. I love that word. AstraZeneca. But, thing is right, I was in that queue because I had it last time. And then you had, what's the other one? Let me forget it. Cypher. Cypher? Probably got the wrong pronunciation. But people have that one. I had to sit and wait. But us who had AstraZeneca, the bloom, I had to wait 15 minutes. Why? So he said to me, yeah, you can travel now. I wanted to go straight to the airport and go on holiday. But until we got the all clear, doing now. Abroad, I mean. Right. Okay. I feel tired eating them all because they were his crisps. Let's have them. I hope you enjoy. In my video last night, it was so dark, I know that, and it's quite a late night again for videos. But it's the only time I can do them at the minute. And so I hope you don't mind. It's not too dark and, you know. Anyway, I'll see you later. Good night.